Now let us learn about secretin. Secretin we were discussing about in our previous video. We were talking about gastrointestinal or tract hormones, GIT hormones, in which there were three divisions of hormones. Number one, gastrin family, and now secretin family and others. So today we will talk about secretin and others. So secretin is the first hormone that was discovered by Bayliss and Starling in 1902. Secretin is secreted by S cells present in the crypts of mucus of upper part of the small intestine, duodenum and jejunum. It is secreted as a proenzyme and called prosecretin, which is converted into active form, that is secretin, by gastric acid and salt of fatty acids. After secretion, it is liberated into the portal venous blood, and then from portal venous blood it will go into the systemic circulation and then to the target tissue, that is pancreatic tissue, to exert its effect. A structure. It is a polypeptide with amino acid. It is a polypeptide with amino acid and resembles that of VIP, GIP and glucagon. Mechanism of action. Pancreatic centroacinar cells have secretin receptor in their plasma membrane. On the plasma membrane of acinar cells of pancreas have receptors. When secretin binds to these receptors, it stimulates adenyl cyclase activity and converts ATP to cyclic AMP in the pancreatic duct cells. Cyclic AMP acts as a second messenger in intracellular signal transduction, resulting in secretion of alkaline, watery pancreatic juice poor in enzymes. While CCK-PZ causes increased flow of pancreatic juice rich in enzyme. This is the main difference between pancreatic secretion stimulated by secretin. When secretin is stimulated, then it is enzyme, poor in enzyme. Alkaline watery pancreatic juice, poor in enzyme. While CCK-PZ, cholecystokinin, pancreozymin, causes increased flow of pancreatic juice rich in enzymes. Secretin also increases water and bicarbonate from duodenal Brunner's gland. It modulates water and electrolyte transport in pancreatic duct cell, liver, cholangiocytes, and epidermis epithelial cells. It also plays a role in the vasopressin independent regulation of water and water absorption from the renal tubules. Secretin is also present in the magnocellular neurons of the paraventricular and supraoptic nuclei of the hypothalamus and along the neurohypophysis. During increased osmolality, it is released from the posterior pituitary. That is, its site of secretion is also from other site, not only from GIT, S cells present in the GIT, but it is also secreted from other sites. And this is from other side. In hypothalamus, it activates vasopressin release, also essential for the essential effect of angiotensin II. Secretin and its receptors are present in discrete nuclei of the hypothalamus, including paraventricular and supraoptic nucleus and arcuate nucleus, which are primary brain site for regulating body and energy homeostasis. When the volume of pancreatic juice increases, its chloride ion concentration falls and bicarbonate ion concentration rises. In a small pancreatic duct, bicarbonates is secreted but reabsorbed in large pancreatic duct in exchange for chloride. This is now function of this secretin. Increases secretion of pancreatic juice rich in bicarbonate, watery and alkaline pancreatic juice. Increases secretion of pancreatic juice rich in bicarbonate, watery and alkaline pancreatic juice. Stimulates the action of or propagates or help the increase the function of CCK-PZ to produce enzyme-rich juice by the pancreas. It produces, that is secretin produces watery and alkaline pancreatic juice by itself and stimulates, at the same time it stimulates the pancreas CCK-PZ to produce enzyme-rich juice in pancreas. Decreased secretion of gastric acid, increases concentration of increases contraction of pyloric sphincter, so delay gastric emptying and stimulates alkaline bile secretion. So, again functions of secretin, it is important. So, again we must know that secretin causes increased secretion of pancreatic juice rich in bicarbonate, watery alkaline pancreatic juice. By the same, at the same time, it stimulates action of CCK PZ to produce enzyme-rich juice by the pancreas. It increases stimulation of alkaline bile secretion and decreases secretion of gastric acid and delays the gastric emptying. On secretion, that is on secretory side, it stimulates pancreas to secrete more watery and alkaline pancreatic juice by itself and enzyme-rich juice by CCK-PZ. Number 2, it stimulates bile secretion, that is alkaline bile secretion. On the other hand, it decreases gastric acid secretion and inhibit or decreases gastric motility, so that acid chyme cannot come into delayed entry into the duodenum and other parts. Now, factors influencing secretin secretion. Acidic chyme and products of protein digestion peptide and amino acids increases its secretion. Alkaline content of duodenum and upper jejunum decreases its secretion. That when there is acid in the duodenum, acid chyme and product of protein digestion are there, then its secretion increases. That is, its secretion increases, so that that acidic part of the chyme may be contracted. And when there is a sufficient amount of bicarbonate ions, alkaline content of the duodenum, and then its secretion is suppressed. Now, gastric inhibitory polypeptide, that is also, in short, it is known as GIP, gastric inhibitory polypeptide. It is also known as glucose dependent insulinotropic polypeptide produced by K cells present in the mucosa of the duodenum and upper jejunum. Its secretion is stimulated by presence of glucose and fat in the duodenum and upper jejunum. Function: decreases secretion of gastric acid, decreases gastric motility, and stimulates B cells of the pancreas to increase secretion of insulin. This is the action. Now, vasoactive intestinal peptide. Vasoactive intestinal peptide VIP, it is present in the GIT release from the jejunum in response to fatty meals. It is also present in the blood, the brain, and ANS. Present in GIT and released from jejunum and in response to fatty meals. Function is relaxes intestinal smooth muscles of gut, including sphincter, blood vessels, and genitourinary system. Decrease gastric motility, stimulates secretion of electrolytes and water, increases the action of acetylcholine on salivary glands, causing profuse secretion of watery saliva with a relatively low content of organic material and protein. Peripheral blood vessels dilate. So, vasoactive intestinal peptide is present in the GIT. It is secreted from jejunum, and stimulatory factors are fatty meals. It is also present in the blood, the brain, and ANS. Functions: relaxes smooth muscles, relaxes smooth muscles of gut, blood vessels, sphincters, and genitourinary system, and smooth muscles present in peripheral blood vessels. Therefore, they get dilated. Decrease gastric motility, stimulates secretion of electrolyte and water, and increases the action of acetylcholine on salivary glands, causing profuse secretion of watery saliva. Now, vasoactive intestinal peptide, that was GIP, it is VIP. Now, glucagon. Glucagon is secreted by gastric mucosa and duodenal mucosa. It is different from glucagon secreted by alpha cells of isolate of Langerhans of pancreas. Function: it reduces the glucose level in hyperglycemia. Principles of gut regulatory periphery are gastrin and CCK, PZ secretion, and VIP. Principal main gut regulatory peptides are gastrin, CCK, PZ, secretin, and VIP, and GIP. Other GIT hormones are motilin, neurotensin, peptide P, substance P, GRP, and so one by one we will talk about all these things. Motilin is secreted from MO cells in the stomach, duodenum, and colon mucosa. Regulates intestinal motility by causing contraction of intestinal smooth muscles. Secreted by MO cells in the motilin is secreted by MO cells in the stomach, duodenum, and colon. And regulate what is its function? Regulates intestinal motility by causing contraction of intestinal smooth muscle. Now, neurotensin is secreted by mucosal cells of ileum in response to fatty acids. It inhibits GIT motility. Now, peptide P, that is secreted by mucosal cells of jejunum in response to fatty diet, inhibits GIT motility and gastric acid secretion. Now, substance P, formed in the endocrine cells and nerve cells in the GIT, causes increased motility. Now, this is gastrin releasing peptide from vagus nerve ending of G cells. GRP is gastrin releasing peptide from vagus nerve ending of G cells. Vagus nerve ending at the G cells causes stimulation of G cells, that is therefore causing increased gastric secretion. This is its function. Then one thing is ghrelin, GHRELIN, a peptide hormone from stomach and liver, often known as hunger hormone, due to its presence in large amount in hungry patients, hungry individuals, starving individuals. Its use are agonists are being used in the treatment of anorexia and loss of appetite. Then amylin controls glucose level and gastric motility, controls glucose level and gastric motility. Oxyntomodulation controls oxymodulation hormones secrete acid secretion. Somatostatin, that is growth hormone inhibiting hormone, it is produced by delta cells of the isolate of Langerhans, pancreas, and GIT mucosa, and it is inhibitory hormone and inhibits the secretion of gastrin, VIP, GIP, secretin, motilin, insulin, glucagon. All types of secretions are, including gastric acid, is depressed or inhibited by its somatostatin. It inhibits GIT motility and contraction of gallbladder. It inhibits absorption of glucose, fatty acid, and ammonia. There are many, as in the last previous video told, that there are more than 50 more than 50 hormones, gastrointestinal hormones are present, but but the main are, I mentioned main principle are gastrin, secretin, CCK, VIP and GIP are main, but somatostatin is also important, and this is a in nutshell about this gastrointestinal hormone. So thank you very much.